In this video, let's learn about JSON Server's support for POST requests. JSON Server supports POST requests out of the box with no additional configuration. Let me show that to you by adding a new product to our db.json file. To make a POST request, a browser is not sufficient. There are a number of choices, but I have decided to use the Thunder Client VS Code extension. It is a REST API client for VS Code. Once you install it, open the extension from the side nav. Here, click on New Request button at the top. Now, select the request type as POST. The URL is going to be HTTP instead of HTTPS. And then after the // localhost port 3000. And since products is what we want to mutate, append /products to the URL. We then go to the body tab, and under JSON, we add a new product object we want to add to our db.json file. Let me copy paste a product object and make the changes. ID is going to be 11, title is going to be product 11, and so is the description. The other two fields can remain the same. Now click on Send button. At the bottom, you can see we have status 201 created, and the same product is returned as response. If we open db.json, under products, we should have our 11th product object. ID set to 11. Now we have used a VS Code extension to make the POST request, but typically you would be doing it from the front end using the Fetch API or Axios. But as you can see, JSON Server does support POST requests on the same endpoint. On a similar note, in the next video, let's see how to make put, patch, and delete requests. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.